ourselves a real top-tier bad boy.
Command, 5-1 reporting. We've secured one target individual.
5-1. Intel advises you should expect at least one more high-level target.
Coach, there's an old bunker door down here. Come here and check it out. Coach, we've run into a dead end here. Check it out.
We must have some way of leveling this door.
I think everyone might want to stand back. Doorway clear! Go, go, go! Heads up! Bad boys could be almost anywhere down here.
There they are! Tier 1 bad boys on the move!
Well, this window isn't the way. It's reinforced.
They're getting away!
I see food rations and bedding and stuff. Somebody's sure as hell making this place their home.
There must be some trapdoors or tunnels or something. Keep your eyes open for any escape routes.
Let's move upstairs!
That must be where they got out! Let's go, go, go!
5-1, be advised, a large group of armed militia is converging on the target building. You should extract ASAP.
Man, 4-1, we need an airlift from the compound. We've got hostiles closing in fast on our position.
Copy, 4-1, we've got a Black Hawk inbound.
Machine gun fire! Watch it!
5-1, command. We've got multiple reports that the enemy group is large and well armed. Suggest you proceed immediately.